Good morning, students. Some more examples on definite integration. First example, integration 2 to 3 dx upon x into x cube minus 1 dx is equal to dash dash. Now I write this adjustment integration just 2 to 3 multiply x square divide x square, that is I write x square into x cube minus 1 then dx. Now put x cube is as a t, put x cube as a t, 3x square dx as a dt, x square dx is equal to dt by 3. Check the limits, limits are just x and t 2 to 3, x equal to 2 in this, 2 cube 8, x equal to 3 cube 27. Therefore r is equal to integration 8 to 27 x square dx as a dt by 3, this x cube as a t and then t minus 1, this that is equal to 1 by 3 out, integration 8 to 27. These are the linear factors t and t minus 1. Now I adjust this, that is t minus 1 then t transfer here t then t minus 1 minus, therefore 1. This is just adjustment dt. Cross multiplication again t here minus t plus 1, then t cancel, original maintaining. Then its integration is 1 by 3 log t minus 1 minus log t. 3 to 8 to 27, 1 by 3 log t minus 1 by t, log a by b, 8 to 27 is equal to 1 by 3. Then upper limit 27 minus 1, 26 by 27, upper limit log 27 by 26, 26 by 27, lower limit 8 minus 1, 7 minus 7 by 8, log a minus b, log a minus log b, log a by b, log a upon b, 26 by 27 into 8 by 7. This is 1 by 3 log 26 into 8, 8 6 are 48, 4, 8 to the 16, that is 208 upon 7 7 49, 189, 1 by 3 log 208 upon 189. 1 by 3 a or b, 208 upon 189, this a option. Next example, integration minus 5 to 5 dx upon root 25 minus x square dash dash. Now this is symmetric interval, therefore testing even odd, just x is replaced by minus x, maintaining even function. This is even function, therefore r is equal to, it is 2 times half 0 to 5, 1 by square root 25 minus x square. Now integration of this 1 by a square minus x square type, 2 times sin inverse x by 5, x by 8, x by 5, 0 to 5. Upper limit sin inverse, upper limit x equal to 5 by 5 1, sin inverse 1 minus lower limit 0, sin inverse 0, sin inverse 1 it is pi by 2, sin inverse 0, that is 2 pi by 2, 2 to cancel pi, answer is pi, a option. Next example, integration 0 pi by 2 sin square x upon 1 plus cos x bracket square dx is equal to dash dash. Now this is of the type 1 plus 2 cos x plus cos square x type, that is we put standard substitution for this, tan x by 2 is equal to t, tan x by 2 is equal to t, implies x by 2 is equal to tan inverse t, x equal to 2 tan inverse t. Now derivative just dx equal to upon 1 plus t square dt. Check the limits are x then t, x 0 pi by 2, x 0 x 0, then it is 0. X pi by 2, pi by 2, pi by 4, it is 1, 0, 1. And sin x and cos x are, sin x is equal to, that is 2t upon 1 plus t square, and cos t is equal to, cos x is equal to 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. These are the just two formulas. Conversion. Now I write this as equal to 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Sin square x, square of this, sin square x, 4t square upon 1 plus t square bracket square. This is sin square x. Upon this, upon I write 1 upon 1 plus cos x, 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square bracket square into dx. Dx has a 2 upon 1 plus t square dt. Now simplification, 1 plus t square cross 1 plus t square, 1 minus t square, 1 1 cancel, 2 remaining, that is equal to 0 1 4 t square upon 1 plus t square bracket square. This is cross 1 plus t square and 1 minus t square cancel, 2 remaining, and reverse. Therefore I write 1 plus t square bracket square upon 2, it is 4, and this is as it is, 2 upon 1 plus t square dt. Now simplification, this cancel, 4 cancel, just 2 remaining, that is equal to 0 1 0 1 2 t square, that is 2 out, t square upon 1 plus t square. That is I write 2 inside the bracket, 0 1 adjustment, t square plus 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus t square. Now this is 2 into separate denominator, 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus t square. Integration of this with respect to t, that is t minus tan inverse t. Tan inverse t. Now t means upper limit just 1 0, 2 into 1 minus tan inverse 1, it is pi by 4, 0 0 0 neglected, that is cross 2 into 4 minus pi upon 4. This 2 cancel, 4 minus pi by 2, 4 minus pi upon 2. A option में देगा 4 minus pi upon 2, that is A option. Next example, 0 log 5 e raised to x square root e raised to x minus 1 e raised to x plus 3 is equal to. Now first we have to remove this e raised to x plus 1 square root. Therefore for this to cancel this square root, we put e raised to x minus 1. Put e raised to x minus 1 is equal to t square. If I put t, then square root does not cancel. Therefore I put t square. T square implies e raised to x is equal to 1 plus t square. Derivative e raised to x dx is equal to 2t dt. Check the limits. Limits are original x, new t, limits 0 log 5, 0 log 5. For 0, x equal to 0 here, e raised to 0 1, 1 minus 1 0, again maintaining 0. E raised to x equal to log 5, e raised to log 5 it is 5, 5 minus 1 4, t square is equal to 4, therefore t is equal to 2, 0 2. Therefore I becomes integration 0 to 2, instead of 0 log 5, 0 t, e raised to x dx, 2t dt, this square root, therefore t square, it is t only, upon e raised to x plus 3, e raised to x is equal to 1 plus t square plus 3, that is as equal to this 2 out, 0 2 t square upon t square plus 4 dt. 2 as it is, 0 2 adjustment, t square plus 4 minus 4 upon t square plus 4. Separate denominator, then 2 times 0 2, it is 1 minus 4 upon x square, t square plus 4. 1, 2 into 1, integration 1 it is t just, minus integration 1 upon 1 x square plus a square type, 1 by a, 1 by 2, tan inverse t by 2, limits 0 to upper is equal to 2, 4 by 2 it is 2, tan inverse 1. Lower limit 0, t0 neglected, here 0, tan 0, 0 neglected. Therefore 2 minus 2 pi by 4, pi by 4. That is final simplification. Just it is 2 common, then 4 outside it is 4, then 1 minus pi by 4, and cross 4 pi, 4 minus pi upon 4, 4 cancel, that is 4 minus pi. B option. B line 4 minus pi, B option. Next example, if integration 2 to e inside this square bracket 1 by log x minus 1 by log x square dx is equal to a plus b log 2, then a b c d are values of a and b are asked. Now I put log x equal to t in this, log x equal to t, log x equal to t, then x equal to e raised to t, e raised to t, dx is equal to e raised to t dt. Check the limits. Limits are just x and t, it is 2 and e. X equal to 2, then log 2. X equal to 1, x equal to e log e1, it is 1. Therefore limits are log 2 to 1. Therefore I is equal to integration log 2 to 1, log 2 to 1, dx e raised to t dt. Therefore I write e raised to first 1 by t minus 1 by t square dt. Then this is of the type e raised to x f of x plus f dash x type. 1 by t derivative minus 1 by t square. Therefore its answer is directly e raised to t into 1 by t. 1 by t. Limits log 2 to 1. That is e raised to t by t, log to 1. Upper limit, just put t is equal to 1, e raised to 1, e just upon 1 neglected, minus e raised to t as a log 2 upon log 2. This e minus e log cancel, e minus 2 by log 2. Now compare this with a plus b log 2. That is, we get a is equal to this a and minus 2 is equal to b. Compare this. This is b. A plus b log 2. A is equal to e, b is equal to minus 2. A is equal to e, b is equal to minus 2. A option. Next example, let I1 is equal to e to e square dx upon log x and I2 is equal to 1 to 2 e raised to x upon x dx. Then what is the relation between these two, I1 and I2? I1 I2 मधला relation विचारा. Now I solve this first. I1 मी solve करतोय, काय मिळते चेक करूया. I1 is equal to, just put log x equal to t in this, log x equal to t. Log x equal to t टाकला, then we get x equal to e raised to t and dx equal to e raised to t dt. Check the limits. Limits are e square, e and e square. When x equal to e, it is log e1. E square, log e square 2 coefficient, it is 2 just 1 to 2. Therefore limits are 1 to 2 dx upon, dx means e raised to t dt upon log x as a t. This. Now definite integration is independent with respect to variable use. कोणता variable आपल्याला टाकता येईल? I write I1 to 2 instead of t I write x, dx upon x. Now this is nothing but what? I2. That is equal to I2. I1 is equal to I2. That is a D option. I1 is equal to I2. Next example, the value of 0 to 1 x modulus x minus 1 by 2 dx is equal to dash dash. Now this is modulus function. We know the modulus function, modulus x minus a is equal to, it is x minus a, same when x greater than a, and it is equal to minus x minus a when x less than a. Therefore I write this I is equal to 0 1 are splitting. Here point as a 1 by 2. Therefore 0 1 by 2 x mod x minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 to 1 x into mod x minus 1 by 2. That is the value of this x minus 1 by 2 in between 0 and 1 by 2 it is negative. Therefore r is equal to 0 1 by 2 x minus of minus, I write minus here, minus x minus 1 by 2 dx plus 1 by 2 to 1 it is same, it is positive x minus 1 by 2 dx. Now simplify this, that is r is equal to, I write 0 1 by 2 minus x square plus x by 2 plus x by 2. Second one 1 by 2 to 1 x square minus x by 2. Now its integration minus x square minus x cube by 3 minus x cube by 3 plus x integration x square by 2 original to x square by 4. Limits are 0 1 by 2. Second x square x cube by 3 and minus x raised to x square by 4. 1 by 2 to 1. Check limits. Now solving this, put x equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 cube 1 by 8 minus 1 by 8 and this 3 24. Here x equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square 1 by 4 and this 4 1 by 16. Lower limit 0 neglected. Lower limit 0 neglected. Upper limit 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Lower limit 1 by 2. 1 by 2 cube 1 by 8 and 3. 1 by 24, lower limit minus 1 by 24. Lower limit minus this minus plus 1 by 2 square 1 by 4 and 1 by 16. Check this two. And that is, now this minus 1 by 24, this minus 1 by 24, that is minus 2 by 24, that is minus 2 by 24 minus 1 by 12. 1 by 16, 1 by 16, 2 by 16, that is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. That is common denominator as 24. 12 2s are minus 2. 8 3s are 3. 3 8s are 4 6 are minus 6. 8 3s it is 11. 11 minus 8. 3 by 24. It is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 and C option. Next example, let f of x equal to x minus this x minus square bracket x, that this is what, where this indicates, denotes the greatest integer function, greatest integer less than or equal to x. याच्यापेक्षा less असणारा greatest integer कोणता आहे, that is the this function defined. I write this as a, its value is always x when x less than or equal to n. Its value is n. I write this, n less than or equal to x less than n plus 1. Greatest integer not greater than this. याच्यापेक्षा मोठा नसणारा greatest integer not greater than this, that is याच्यापेक्षा मोठा नाही, that is n. Then its value is n. Now I split this first, minus 1 to 0 f of x dx plus 0 to 1 f of x dx. Now minus 1 to 0, range start with minus 1 up to 0. F of x is this, x minus greatest integer, x minus this dx plus 0 1 0 1, again this x minus greatest integer x. Now its value is in between minus 1 to 0, greatest integer is minus 1, therefore its value is minus 1. Minus 1 to 0 x minus and this minus 1 dx. For second 0 to 1, greatest integer is 0, therefore 0 1, it is x minus 0 dx. Now simplification, minus 1 to 0, this is x plus 1, and second one 0 1 x only. Now simplification, x square by 2 plus x square by 2 plus x square by 2 plus x, it is minus 1 to 0. second is x square by 2, 0, 1. Upper limit 0 neglected, lower limit minus 1 square plus 1 by 2. Lower limit minus, therefore minus 1 by 2. Here minus 1, lower limit minus, and this minus 1 plus 1. And this is 1 by 2 minus 0. Plus minus cancel, only 1. Answer is 1. A option. A option.